Hello everyone. The biggest financial market in the world, the foreign exchange market, is open for business 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. This is correct. And this implies that it can accommodate almost anyone's work schedule, family commitments, social commitments. There is always time that you can trade and invest in the foreign exchange market. What is needed is knowledge and experience. Now, the foreign exchange market is sectioned in 4 different sessions. The Sydney session, the Tokyo session, the London session, and the New York session. Roughly, the London session opens at 8 o'clock GMT. And it goes on until noon, and then the Americans wake up, and there is an overlap between the London and the New York session. That overlap creates a lot of opportunities, volatility if you wish, and that is traders favorite that particular overlap because they believe that they can benefit from this increased volatility in the markets. Then the London session goes on roughly until 5 GMT in the afternoon. And then the New York carries on until about more or less 10 o'clock at night. Then New Zealand and Sydney wake up and they take over until the Tokyo session continues. Now, during the Sydney and Tokyo session, people believe that there is low volatility and no movement in the market. But don't be surprised to see the very beginning of a major trend starting that particular time. I hope this helps. Stay tuned for more.
Hi guys, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell to keep up with new videos.